Good morning, welcome to today's video. Welcome to the first episode of Jam on a Roll. George and Jess are in the van in front of us. We're heading to Ludlow, which is not North Wales. We're meeting AJ, he's a long distance cyclist. We're doing a little pop-up shop. We're doing some bike riding. 2 rides, 3 rides, maybe 2 rides. One thing's for sure, it's gonna be a good day. You like this bridge?
I always like this bridge, it always kind of catches my attention. Like there's choppers in that van in front.
Saved £324 when suddenly
Yeah, man.
How are you?
I'm alright, I'm quite tired today. Because to be fair, I have been up since 4:45. George likes to play the game of amber gambling, which is giving Chris a car with no petrol in it.
Mate, 10 miles is fine.
Yeah, but we're like 25 miles away from where we need to be, and we're in the middle of nowhere.
It says at least 5 miles.
The
I mean, it's been on 5 miles for a while and it goes down in 5s, but
The amount of times where I borrowed the car and it is literally says 0.
No, it's got the perfect amount to make sure I can get to at least to 1 petrol station.
they do actually do that.
They bred.
Yeah, you put them in the fridge and they have babies or something.
What's there? Should we get cracking?
How far have we got to go?
We just turn back.
25 miles.
Not too far.
Mr. CADE,
How's it going? Yeah, nice to meet you, bud. How you doing?
Breakfast.
Weekend at the gym,
It's kind of your beard.
It was good. Yeah? Not bad, actually.
You're right, mate.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. Well, you got funny tattoos all over you. Some new stickers.
They're from Romeo and Juliet. Good, isn't it? It's actually quite good.
I quite like the one there.
Yeah, me too, yeah. I might get these fake tattoos actually tattooed on me. So I went to Secret Cinema yesterday, which is top secret cinema. It's like an interactive movie experience for Baz Luhrmann's Romeo and Juliet. I was a Montague, so I had like Hawaiian shirt and fake tattoos.
The fuck yeah socks or
Aero socks.
Aero socks.
It's not a race. Those are offensive.
These are offensive.
Yeah, those are offensive as well, yeah. The first mission of today, we're heading out for a quick photo shoot with AJ. He knows the local road, so we're going to do 20-25 mile loop. Thank God I'm on a geared bike for the first time in quite a while. It's nice and steep around here.
Yeah, it's quite steep.
We saw that on the way in and I was like, that looks cool.
Yeah, so there's like a big radome and stuff. It's spectacular up there. You can see all of Mid Wales, Shropshire. So,
Okay.
if you've got the time, I thoroughly recommend we do that later.
Yeah, cool.
Stolen my pump.
Stolen your thumb?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Pump it up.
Hello.
Oh.
Shawty, what's your damage? I be going ham and alright, shawty, what's your damage?
So riding around here is a bit like being in the Surrey Hills, except the climbs go on and on and on and on. We genuinely descended for like 5 minutes back there. Barely a moving car in sight. Cycling paradise.
The lorries have disappeared.
Arthur, do you know Arthur?
Yes.
And Lawrence.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, Arthur.
Papa.
Have you been in there before?
I'm gonna.
You must ride past this all the time, right?
No,
What?
no. I'm not actually from Shropshire.
Oh,
It's a lie. It's all a lie.
there you go.
So hot in here.
There's a spider web.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah.
There isn't actually a phone in here.
No, there's a map though. But
What's that going to help with?
in case we get lost, like
Oh,
now.
well, yeah. This is a hilly place. Why did you take us here?
My name is Hill. This is why.
You enjoying yourself?
It's nice, isn't it? Don't like the bits of gravel.
There's quite a lot of this is like an off-road ride.
Hey, I should have bought my Silk Road bike with the full setup.
Yeah.
Are you practicing riding at quirk speed? I noticed you way off the back earlier on, that was also something if you
Well, at least I was riding with the people when everyone else was together.
yeah, fair enough. Yeah.
Yeah, you've been off the front on your own doing some sort of weird time trial.
Or
He's
just
doing-
waiting for you.
What the fuck? I mean, that takes some skill to bend that.
Yeah.
How do you lick the...
Just bend it back.
Let's give it back to the straight. I fixed the spoon for you.
Shawty, what's your damage? Feel like Kevin Ramage going ham and shit.
Where are you going?
I am. Be
See
back
you later.
I'll be back later. It's okay.
I just found an area of dirt on my bike.
cleaning.
My finger's too fat to get it.
Sticking her fat fingers in her bike to clean it. I think that's what she said.
Is that it?
Right, we're heading back down into that town, get some lunch, and then second ride of the day this evening after doing a bit of work at the van. Beer.
Beer? Bloody in, mate. Come on then.
Cyclocross.
Is this cyclocross?
If there's beer involved, he kicks into gear.
What's in this?
No, Lawrence is allowed.
So them t-shirts?
Oh, they're well good.
They're well good. We found one large one as well, and that went like that.
So viewers,
yesterday.
if you want it.
You want the small? It's available now.
So there's only one logical place to go now.
The pork pie diet. Got all your major food groups.
Pork
Pork
Pie.
pie.
Before we ride later, can you make my chain orange, please?
Orange. Check. Yeah.
Alright. Nice of you to join us.
I didn't want to come.
Yeah. Why did we invite him?
The brains and the muscle and the looks, really.
Yeah, because he's the brains,
Of what?
the muscles, and the looks.
The whole team.
If it's him or Stu, and we don't need Stu here, just make a mess.
We've made a mess though.
Good point. Wages.
Mate, your one came out way better than mine.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because your chain was actually clean before.
My chain was, yes, much cleaner than yours. Never.
Behind the scenes,
Go on,
everything tits up. No sweets.
You can eat one.
Does that?
Yeah, I'm about to go play
Bit of a
with
chalky
sweets?
flavour. No, I mean,
Purple one's nice.
just fancy some chalk. Don't try some chalk.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, please don't lick it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I bailed.
Max, come on, let's do the workout, mate.
No, I fucked it. Fits now.
Fired.
Why aren't you wearing your present?
Oh, sorry, do you want me to wear my pros?
Yeah.
Yeah, please do, because I've gone pink as well.
I like the sticker as well.
I mean, look at that! Straight out of the box.
So it's nearly ride time. We've got a few people out, locals. Some of them not so local. One guy's ridden 50k to get here. We're going to go that way, up one of the hills we actually drove in on, which had an amazing view, the highest point in Shropshire. I remember this from the 90s.
Alien ant farm.
Early 2000s, actually. 2001, I think it went.
You some sort of weird like alien ant farm expert.
Yeah. If it was on Kerrang, I know about it.
So George has gone the wrong way.
He was here
What a tit.
trying to ride cyclocross at his factor.
He's ended up on a gravel road somewhere over there. We're just gonna, I think we should just leave him.
Mate, the key to the car's in the van.
Is it?
Yeah. Jess has got the key to the car, and the cake's in the van.
Not the cake.
Right, there's a bit around here for a gate. That means you can get even higher up. Hey sheep!
We halfway, yeah? When's the fun begin? Is it fun yet?
Hi, bro.
I think we're having more fun than George.
Oh, definitely. Who?
I'll tell you what.
The countryside has him now.
Oh, we've lost him.
Francis, this is a pissing spot.
Like a secret entrance to an underground lair.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Bonvillain sort of thing.
It's where they measured distance in the olden days. They triangulated between all the points, the hills,
Yeah.
to work out the distance. So you got like one here, Brown Clay, Reekin, that's the one.
Yeah.
You know it's proper when there's a shelter up here.
Right, now we're at the actual top.
Straight, yeah, just straight river.
Unfortunately, we have to descend all of that. Usually that would be fun. It's freezing, so it's not going to be fun. Minimum Zanskau!
Freezing my tits off.
What's this you wanted to show me?
It's the wristband, if you like.
Ah, is this okay?
Yeah. So this charity ride for Charlie. Charlie Craig he's Nick Craig's son, and he was a really good cyclist. You kind of just enjoyed riding his bike. He sadly passed away in January 2017. In his sleep, basically, sharing about cardiac risk in the young, because especially with cyclists and athletes, it's quite a big risk that the heart could just give out because of the intensity they're pushing it to. Ride for Charlie is actually a charity now, which if say a group of riders want to go and do a race in another country, they can put that forward, and it will sort of pay for their travel, if you like, because they want to support anyone who wants to ride their bike, really. So if you want to support the charity, just look it up online and check out the website, or put #RideForCharlie under a post on Instagram or anything, and spread the word, I guess.
Also, brilliant ride today.
Thank you, yeah, cheers.
Imagine if you had bigger gears.
Yeah, well, I
That's the only way we got rid of you on the descent.
I got dropped there because I couldn't go any faster.
Can we get dinner, please?
What do you want?
Anything as long as it's Subway.
What if there isn't a Subway?
Find a Subway.
What if I can't find a Subway, Francis? Would you eat pizza?
Potentially.
Would you eat
Subway, yeah.
Hey, why are these
Why are there so many lights?
And why are they so low?
What the flip is going on?
I'm in the daytime, man!
Man, oh.